This recipe looks super fancy, but honestly, it is so easy to make, just a handful of ingredients. How you start is that you're going to be getting your wheel of Brie cheese, and you want to slice off the top of it, okay? You want that thin layer, the rind, the top of that to come off because you want all the ingredients we're going to put in to melt inside of it. Put that aside and spread out one large thawed puff pastry sheet, and then put your Brie right on top. Put a couple tablespoons of strawberry jelly, some crushed pecans, and then a sprinkle of brown sugar. That's all you need to have a big flavorful impact for this appetizer. You want to fold over the puff pastry, but actually, despite what you see here, I'd rather you cut off the excess puff pastry because it will not cook evenly in the oven. So just make sure it's all enclosed in the puff pastry, but don't overlap it like you saw there. You want to set up some twine. You only need 4 pieces, but they have to be long enough to wrap around the puff pastry. So just tie those all together and make one big knot at the top and cut it so it is not a huge thing of string. Then you want to put that inside of your baking dish. Here I'm using one of those classic Staub pumpkin baking dishes. They're perfect for it, but you could also use any sort of deep baking vessel that you have, like even a 9x9 pan or dish would be quite fine. So brush the top of that with a little mixture of egg and water, and then pop it in the oven according to your puff pastry box instructions. This one was cooked about 400 or 425 degrees Fahrenheit for only 20 minutes. It comes out so beautiful.